Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to delete Gcash transaction history. Let's get started. So first things first, the first step for this process would be to open up your Gcash app. Make sure you have a stable and good internet connection. And then secondly, log into your Gcash account, use your credentials, and once you're in, access the transaction history. This section will display a chronological list of all your past transactions, including payments, transfers, and purchases made using Gcash. Go ahead and scroll through your transaction history and identify the transactions you wish to delete. Tap on the specific transaction or transactions that you wish to remove. Some apps might have a checkbox or a selection feature to mark multiple transactions simultaneously. After selecting the transactions you want to delete, look for an option that allows you to delete or remove them. This option might be represented by a trash bin icon or a delete option or a somewhat similar symbol. Tap it to confirm the deletion. Once you've confirmed the deletion, go ahead and verify it by checking it yourself. And there you have it. You have now successfully deleted your Gcash transaction history. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.